Hi there and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to use Liqui Moly Diesel Additive to clean your diesel particulate filter DPF yourself. Diesel cars that are frequently used for short distances often encounter issues with the DPF filter, such as dust buildup or rusting. These problems can lead to a loss of power in the vehicle and, in some cases, render it unable to move. This can result in expensive repairs, including specialized cleaning or replacement of the DPF filter. While it's recommended to use diesel cars on highways and drive at higher speeds to activate the auto cleaning system for the DPF filter, it's not always feasible. That's why using additives that clean the filter, even for short distances, is recommended. For this video, I've chosen the Liqui Moly Diesel Additive, which is known for its effectiveness and quality. Using this additive is straightforward. The 250 ml bottle is added to your diesel tank and mixed with 50 to 70 liters of diesel fuel, or one full tank. To start the process, first, remove the cap along with the fuse located underneath it. Then, securely attach the funnel that comes with the product to the additive bottle. Afterwards, open the fuel tank on your diesel vehicle and carefully pour the entire dose of the additive into the tank, ensuring none of it is wasted or spilled. Following that, it's time to fill up your diesel tank completely with diesel fuel. Make sure to pour in enough fuel to fill the entire tank. When it comes to refueling and adding the additive, you can either fill up with diesel first and then add the additive, or add the additive first and then top up with diesel. Mixing the additive thoroughly is important. Once you've completed the process, you can start driving to initiate the filter cleaning. I recommend driving on the highway for 15 to 20 minutes at over 2500 RPM, as this can activate the auto cleaning system and enhance the effectiveness of the additive in cleaning your filter. While I strongly recommend implementing this method if it's possible for you, it's important to note that even if you choose not to, this additive effectively cleans your PDF filter, even during short drives without the need for high engine revs. Also, it's important to note that if your filter is already fully clogged, neither fast driving nor the additive will be effective. In such cases, you should visit a car mechanic. To prolong the life of your DPF filter, I recommend using this additive 2 to 3 times a year. By following these steps and using the Liqui Moly Diesel Additive, you can effectively clean your diesel particulate filter and maintain the performance of your vehicle. Also, please note that it's always advisable to consult your vehicle's manual and follow the manufacturer's recommendations when using any additives. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful videos.